Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at the summary of the poem If I Were Lord of Tartary by Walter de la Mare and then learn some difficult words as well. Now before I begin with the poem, let us talk about the poet Walter de la Mare. Walter de la Mare was born on 25th April 1873 in United Kingdom and died on 22nd June 1956. He was an English poet, story writer, and a novelist. Now let's begin with the poem. First, I will read the poem line by line and then give a summary of it. If I were Lord of Tartary, myself and me alone, my bed should be of ivory, of beaten gold my throne. And in my court should peacocks flaunt, and in my forest tigers haunt, and in my pools great fishes slant their fins athwart the sun. In this poem, the poet imagines to be the lord of his dream world called Tartary. Tartary is a rich, flourishing land of gold and silver. He wished that he should have an ivory bed and golden throne. Peacocks should dance in his court, tigers should roam in his forest, and glittering fishes should swim in his pools. If I were lord of Tartary, trumpeters every day to all my meals should summon me, and in my courtyards bray. And in the evening lamps should shine, yellow as honey, red as wine, while harp and flute and mandolin made music sweet and gay. He imagines that if he was lord of Tartary, trumpeters should summon him to his meal every day, and the evening lamps should shine brightly, yellow and red. He wished to be surrounded by the pleasing music from harp, mandolin, and flute. If I were lord of Tartary, I would wear a robe of beads, white and gold and green they would be, and small and thick as seeds. And ere should wane the morning star, I would don my robe and scimitar, and zebras 7 should draw my car through Tartary's dark glades. The poet brings out his inner desire to be a king wearing robes of beads and pearls. They should be adorned with blue, green, and yellow colored stones that glitter and reflect the light, and he rides a chariot drawn by 7 zebras. Lord of the fruits of Tartary, her rivers silver pale, Lord of the hills of Tartary, glen, thicket, wood, and dale. Her flashing stars, her scented breeze, her trembling lakes like foamless seas, her birds delighting citron trees in every purple vale. His country is very prosperous and flourishing. The land is full of silver streams, fruits, hills, and thick woods. Everything in his land is very beautiful. The singing birds, the shining stars, the trembling lakes, and the foamless seas. Now, here are the meanings of some difficult words. Ivory, a hard, creamy white substance that elephant tusks are made of. Flaunt, to show something you are proud of in order to gain people's admirations. Summon, to call someone for something. Wane, gradually fade away. Scimitar, a short sword with a curved blade. Glen, a deep and narrow valley. Thicket, a group of bushes or trees growing closely together. Dale, another word for a valley. Vale, valley. Trumpeters, a person who plays trumpet. Athwart, reflecting the sun's rays. Adorned, make more beautiful and attractive. Chariot, a two-wheeled vehicle drawn by horses. I hope you have understood the poem well, and at the end of the video I have also given the meanings of some difficult words. So do practice at home and improve your vocabulary. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.